Welcome to Laughing Littles. Today we are going to play something really exciting. Get ready for an adventure with our Animal Baby Challenge. Subscribe for more videos like this. Let's start the fun. Finds the panda's cub. Nice job. The goat's baby. Great work. Can you guess this? You nailed it. It's a fox cub. Can you guess this baby animal? It's lamb. Can anyone find the piglet? Piglet spotted. Great job. Can you identify this one? Who can find the baby elephant? Nailed it. Keep going. Can you guess this one? Calf spotted. Can you find the tiger cub? Bullseye. Tiger cub spotted. Can you identify this one? Can you identify this one? How about this one? Bullseye! You rock! Can you find the baby goose? Fantastic job! Great job! Keep going! Identify this animal, babe. Keep ruling! Can you find the cat, baby? Keep it up! Can you find the bear, baby? Keep it up! How about this one? Brilliant! Can you find the baby swan? Can you find the puppy? Keep shining. Can you spot the hippo calf? Nice job. Can anyone find the baby seal? Bullseye! You rocked! Who can find the baby zebra? Can anyone identify this animal, baby? Nice job! Can you guess this one? Great job! Keep going! Who can spot the baby giraffe? How about this one? Nice job! Can you spot the baby owl? How about this one? Can you identify the hen baby? You're awesome! Who can find this animal baby? Well done! Keep it up! Can anyone find the bat's baby? Incredible work! Can you identify this animal baby? Well done! Keep it up! Can you find the baby squirrel? How about this one? Incredible! Can you spot the baby hedgehog? Great job! Keep going! Can you identify this one? Bullseye! Baby turtle spotted! Can you spot the baby penguin? Nice job! Can you guess this one? Nice job! Thank you for watching. To enjoy more quiz challenges, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.